Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cure radiation in STALKER 2 Heart of Chernobyl. To do it, I'm gonna first enter inventory by clicking on I to show you how does the cure look. This is the cure, you can see it in the inventory here. It's called anti-radiation drugs, and to use it you can either click on the right mouse button and click on use, or you can put it in your quick access menu. Then you can see it here. For the first slot, click shortly on Q, second one, press and hold on Q, third one, click shortly on E, and fourth one, press and hold on E. So when my cure is set on the fourth slot, I'll need to press and hold on E. So let's close the inventory and press and hold on E. And now I've used the drugs. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.